Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Gautam and this video is regarding the Boat AirDops 441 Pro. I have ordered this in the Amazon sale for 2,499 rupees. I have ordered this of 2 pairs for me and one of my friend, and I got this today itself. Let's check it out what's in this. Let's start unboxing. The packing is good. It came in a plain box. Here it's Neha Kakkar and her signature. Swift connectivity Bluetooth 5.0, IPX7 rated, water resistant. And where it's from? It's from designed in US, made in China. Rupees 6,990. Oh my god, this is what something weird. It's 6,999 rupees written here. Imagine imported and marketed by Mumbai. Okay, here are some charging norms written. Boat AirDops written here. Okay, let's check it out. Let's open the box. I'm so excited to see this. Okay, the box feels good. It's smooth. There is no hangama or gimmicks something. It's very good. It's nice and clean. IWP Insta Wake and Pair. 2600 mAh carry case, up to 5 hours of playback per charge and additional 150 hours with the case. Oh my god, 2600 mAh. Do you know one thing? Even my phone is 1500 mAh, so I am using this more than my mobile phone. I think I can charge it. Okay, let's rip this. Come on. Come on. Yes. Wow. This is nice. You got a protective foam here so that to ensure it won't be damaged. Nice. The quality of the box is also good. Let's check this. Okay, here is the box in the middle of this cushion. As you can see, it's Boat written here. Let's check it out. Okay, this was a sponge to ensure safety. What is this box? It's a bit different. Oh, these are the extra buds and that it's kind of ring. One, two, three, four. They extra 3 pairs of buds. They are different in sizes, and you get also these extra grip fittings. And here's some paperwork. Here's the beautiful Kiara Advani. Comes with 1 year manufacturer warranty. Nice. Here is Karthikeyan. Boat heads. Some products. Oh my god. Check out the brand ambassadors. Nice. Oh my god. Let's check out the main thing first. For what you're waiting. Oh, see. Again, here's some disco light. Already my laptop, my mouse, my keyboard, everything's in RGB, and even this is also RGB. So these are the buds. This is the case. It's a bit heavy. It's 100 grams. Boat written here. And yeah, I can charge my phone because it's 1500 mAh. I think it will get more than 1.5. Is the USB out to charge your mobile phone, and here is the C type to charge this, and this button is to show how much charge is left. I'll get you people back after checking the sound quality, and I'll just review these units as soon as possible I can. I'll see you in the next shot. And coming to the battery on this device, it's taking approximately 2 hours or 2.5 hours to a full charge, and these are lasting good. As per my tests, these are lasting good. It's taking approximately 2 or 2.5 hours to a full charge, and you can take this without thinking because it's worth. And if you want to play some games like PUBG or something, you can't because you're getting lag like 1 second latency. So I do not recommend these for PUBG. But if you want to call in some indoors or you want to listen to music, you can go with this. The link is in the description. And also, the pods come with a touch feature, which a single tap pauses the song, a double tap shifts the song to the next one, and holding it for 2 seconds launches the Google Assistant or the Siri. And the final thing is, these can be rated 4 out of 5 as the bass on this is good but not that great, but okay for this price point. And the battery is also good so far, and the call quality is better. And also coming to the pairing, it's really quick. I even tried connecting to my laptop and worked well. But one thing you need to notice is that you can't listen the volumes at 100% as it's messing up with the details and it's creating more roar. And I guess you need to replace your ears, not the buds. Also, these are very lightweight and you can't actually feel them as they are in your ears. So they do justice for this 2500 rupees. And here is a small clipping regarding the call quality and even the speed of pairing.
When I look in your eyes, I see the stars shooting from the sky as if thrown from Mars. Hold me tight, please don't let me down, 'cause we'll start falling, falling, falling towards the ground.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, bro, are you able to hear me properly? I am testing the boat Aero.
Oh, yeah. I can hear you
I
properly.
just called you for testing. I am in a noisy environment. Are you able to hear some birds
No.
chirping
I
or
cannot hear
stuff?
any background noise.
So it's
Yes,
clear,
I
right?
can hear little noise.
Okay.
Like a
Are you
bike
able to
horn.
hear some windy kind of noise?
No.
Okay, sure. You are able to hear clearly, right?
Yeah, only background noise. I mean, bike noise, bike horn noise.
Yeah, sure, bro, sure. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.
So finally, this is best in this segment of 2500 rupees. So you can go for it blindly. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for tuning into the video. Subscribe if you haven't and hit the like button. Stay safe. Bye bye.